Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly's Najo too, and in today's video I will show you all a very effective hair growth oil with just two ingredients. So we've got garlic here. Garlic is rich in nutrients such as vitamin B6 and C, and it helps in hair growth and stimulate hair regrowth. So all you need to do is peel off the skin from the garlic. Here is the garlic, and put in the blender. We're going to be adding some olive oil to it to make it blend smoothly and to also extract the oil, the garlic oil. So all you need to do now is bring it to a blend. Make sure it's well blended. Like you can see here, it's so smooth. So here we've got a frying pan. You just need to put it inside and on a very low heat to prevent it from getting burned or to avoid it getting burned. So we're going to be adding some more oil to really bring out the oil from the garlic. So all you need to do is fry it on a very low heat here till it's golden brown or kind of honey brown, like the kind of honey color here. So this is how it looks like. We just let it cool down before we strain it. So here is the strainer, and we're bringing everything to the strainer. Like the color looks like really golden brown or honey brown. I can put it that way. So all you need to do is strain it out. Strain everything out. Make sure nothing is left in there. Bring everything out. So that was it. I'll just put it in the border. You can put in any kind of border you have. So there we're gonna be adding some, I call this my own kind of essential oil, like to eliminate the garlic smell because it has a very strong smell, and it also eliminates dandruff from your hair. So just mix everything together, and that is it. So I'll go straight and apply it on my baby's hair. This is what one of the things that has helped her hair really grow so strong and healthy. So I'll recommend you all to try this product out with just two ingredients, home ingredients you can easily get. Yeah. So I'll just massage everything in her hair, on her scalp. Make sure everything is well massaged and moisturized. Then I just comb it and give it a protective style. So if you're watching for the first time, guys, please do subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video.